Sonko, Ahosepe, World Best Entertainment platform. And I remember Badwam is a Fantador president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Maybe around Ghana had a Mamona Sonko cry. Now, the other thing them, and then me interview Kaka. Na masan more stories so ka cry we masan mata na zamu ka cry but mamizin kana mankanfo 3p garlic mixture for more there say in here immune booster papa mkono blood pressure nam I hear hen there bia it's not coming down as a here nyina 3p garlic mixture ono oye vitamin C papa na minerals wash muma oye garlic extract 100% or natural into no enyebia ebe kama into no spono stroke asthma say swanchin tata do say swanche bro moye obia no bomozna na nya 3p garlic mixture na fabo human na what say there I chanced on a video on social media in an interview no na Kim promise or can be for the fact that there my yankasa Ghana artists no go home had no they are at war I don't want walk one no richema in chair on Sunday ya kwe ho e sampo no yanyi bi enya ka yenya ba no funinya na my yenteza Kim promise okay for the masam
basic underlying factor. How do we get to this level where moving like that, people no go see that as competition?
Bro, that's the problem, bro. I don't know. It's just the mentality of even us as Ghanaians, bro.
Okay.
It can, like I always say, it's not us against each other, it's us against the world. You go shock you say your own brother. Bro, I'm not gonna say names, but I was in London sometime. There was a concert by Ghanaian artists. I was literally there. I'm like, oh, and Sark said, oh, pull up, and I say, yeah, why not? You know, they didn't let me do the thing. I'm like, wait, are we fighting ourselves? I actually came to show you guys love. Like I can actually sell out the venue.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Respectfully. But I'm like, yeah, these are our people, bro. Let's come together. Let's do this. It's for Ghana at the end of the day. But I don't know that. Niggas see this as competition rather than us being there for each other. Because, bro, I've been on several stages. Like, Wiz put me on the stage. On my leg, whenever we're on the same.
Okay, can promise. Me say, oh, no, Americans in China, you know. Na, one of me on down buzzing, call out. And name and shame. Na, you quite name him. Na, or one man bobo when he's no. And I kid na Kwame Eugene. Suspect one. Because comment as one of ya so suspect one. To someone that win jay, I kind of kitty. On 2 on 4 months, someone a win jay. You know, on your battle, your fin, a babu kunya, press conference no me chair Samini and a Black Sheriff DJ Slim Kaho press conference kacheche me dem pono oye period ye womi momos na nka Ghana music onkoten nka ye promote Ghana music ye promote na there's been so many conversations around this Nigerian bloggers fan personal which you put there so that no ya so ye Ghana nyo ya so ye Ghana nyum cause wonye here na wonye kasa o so onye ye nyi kasa mom ye richim de na nka ye push ye na more shata wale cry be cheche na agenda o masa that's not the course de yakusisia mo wachire wa nyum na lo oya hit see kasa no I bebre what town mo personal opinion but answer no oye Nigerian blogger Ahosepe ordinary ata asem no mu ye is okay unya butarabam ai for one chopa you know Black Sheriff na Zama Disco event na Orebadono ono promo na ya hwe the CCR no na ya tell was a location was called La Palm asanzo called La Palm Beach Hotel nti no ze yebatu hu bia is ba bro nti yenko back hi yenko back na yenhwe Nigerian blocker Ahosepe nezeka kra okay no fa the mansam no na before that no market some more opinion or what am battle na yare no as to whether say yembo 100% Ghana music or krum hade another year on kobo no minimaze say enya time etukwan atna basum etukwan akọ Cape Coast, Kumasi, Takrade, and not Accra, anywhere that is not Accra, you will come here. May you show the better Nigerian. Say, Cape Coast, the biggest artist of Cape Coast is Ahosepe Perry. And into member show in Cape Coast, you will not put Ahosepe Perry on because we are for the video bra. Wana, Westgate, Obefel will Cape Coast straight if it's not Ahosepe Perry. Into no say, and I say, you can't support Ghana music. I think the oil kind of or ya crahade, and then you would amazon or ya had a city no. Aha, you can have. And you would amazon now. When you better more minimum cover able to relate to Zamakano, maze more details about Bronson Alpha the Mansam because Ghana full support Ghana music. Papa. Now, you jingle bell na Mr. interview had na embrace here. Welcome back, Ibio, Ahosepe, Jumezi, Ini, na Ofam Tedo. So na Mijina Hade na Tama Mekeno, me wo interview, me wo kukudem fu ebien wa hade Julian na Kwame Riedu. Na zotinge de ye would play bi babo kojo a izina odado ye makola queen. Into no mafra one wa hade de wombra na wo mecheche minche hen ma ye hu ma ye be because we outside the agenda no obokodo ye bo pay mama wana kwaba. Okay, inti wo free University of Ghana and I wa bahade and pay. Now we promote one play. I will find Makola Queen, sorry. Production or when can you show production or of Amazon?
I say offer 50 pesos coin. I say baby image no that so. Offer that na didi. Now yeah Makola woman. Time before yenya independence starts yenya independence no Makola woman no. Mumwa ma yenya independence inti play no musical inti yede both inyom to ne magodi no na yede inti yakabum na yede aye play no ekafa sa period no stars Makola Queens no boa ma yenya independence.
Okay.
Yes,
okay. Now production is in the air.
Makola Queens inti yeah no school number.
Okay. Now also them pona what bar up with the production.
Okay. We have friend ni the otro no your friend ni as on it ama. Na tro play no. Omo ye play no say person educate Ghana for say enye mema no nkwa na ebo ama yenya independence. So say be a independence. Kasafa big six no.
Okay.
But Makola women no so ye as a behind the scenes work.
Okay.
Independence but where history books you throw mema edwuma nkwa.
Okay. Okay. Into no waso kasaka kre na one mpo no cho play no one or direct play no.
I'm directing Dr. Karim.
Okay.
Dr. Karim on Adams. And the almost play no. Ama okay and I need.
Okay.
In charge of musical. And I'm also writing.
Okay. Nanti obi hwehwe CCA na obi so oni tim the why am I supposed to even be there? Abas no unique if one play no ho o said o mo bi ba. I say
as make her first no say music and I don't know both entertaining and also educative into among who dear Makola woman no ye ma independence na they no so also yeah very entertaining. Okay.
Okay. Into no yeah no we here for about time we register we mom them details no why.
Yeah ETS studios.
Okay.
ETS drama studio. Legon campus.
Okay.
Time near 7:30 p.m. From 27th December to 29th December.
Okay. Okay.
Gate fee student, we a student we just prove say we a student to the ID card bar.
Okay.
But you have 50 CDs. And outside that. No.
Okay. Okay. It's no Makola Queens or last words be your pedal can't to that.
Like I said, OBM because very nicely heard that. And first I hear in a good reviews, a very beautiful play. And my advice is say Obi Amashebi.
Okay. What am I day to?
27th, so each night, 27, 28, and 29.
Into waiting for 3 days. About time exactly. Into one show. The baby are from 27th, 27th, 28th, 29th December. Or ETS.
Yeah, if I Sutherland drama studio.
Okay. Now, are you open to all our senior students? I'm
open to all. So, well, internet, separated tickets.
Okay. My is it?
Oh, it is all ages.
Because they are not adult content.
Say,
Martin, be no if you know when you play when you know.
Of course.
Okay, I know about 50 Ghana. It's only a student.
Students.
Hey, 50-50 maybe. Okay. What's our BB a pede ekatwana? Or the museum, into no Makola Queens, Yaboko na Yakako share, na supporting one so. Now, we to know why place Saka because very interesting. Young baby putting the Sun Independence, no, Miss Africa home. Me KKJ, Mampo, Matston, that's many details of them. I'm sure they're playing the educating him. Papa, into me, Baba. Aye, now you're able to have a show when you be now, what's a Dwango energy drinker? Dwango energy drink, or come up, papa, say, when energy no kofoma. Me here the best energy drink, no, Dwango. You should be shopping able to be a popular vitamin B1, B3, no. Vitamins in our home, aye. One pay now, we'll find share Makola Queens, maybe from my hair now, you're finding. Say Christmas in so no, I a wagin there. Opedese no bibia muna obi bibi wa brochi muna obi bibi o Ghana ha dey me pedese wunyama fa biara no Ghana Post no obejew na wunyama nka ye basabasa nka ye oboduru na yini tilachi ayi na kwana there be Ghana Post bomozo na fa wunyama nyinara fofo honom meza Ahosepe dwumezi no mezi besi ha dey izino e the fancy do wo be Kofi Ampedu e me producer director na ama belong to so or producing the marana osmosis on so or sound now before amokono quickly no ma happy birthday uncle mo hono ma reason one ahoda in there say in there e wo birthday happy birthday first of all CK in there okay zu birthday I think na those another answer menya kwana wish mo wish why